Hey guys, it's Kyle with HOGWORKZ. Today we'll be showcasing our engine guards for 97 to current Harley touring models. HOGWORKZ engine guards are available in black or chrome and fit without modification. This part is built to last and will protect your engine from catastrophic damage in the event you lay your bike down. In addition, this is a must-have part if you're looking to add highway pegs or lower vented fairings. Today we'll be installing this blacked out version on this 2014 Street Glide. Let's jump into the installation. Identify the 3 mounting holes on your frame and slide the engine guard into position. Secure both sides of the bottom of the engine guard to the frame.